Hi, I am Kimmy Smith, a clinical services specialist at Athletico. Congratulations on taking the first step toward an exciting career as a clinician. Choosing Athletico means you're joining a company that's dedicated to helping you grow into the best version of yourself. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your skills, we're here to support your journey every step of the way. At Athletico, you'll have access to industry-leading resources and continuing education opportunities to help you build confidence and expertise in your practice. From day one, we're committed to helping you find your professional path. Whether you want to become an exceptional clinician, mentor others, teach, or even explore management roles in the future. As a new graduate, you'll benefit from our 12 to 24-month clinician mentoring program, where you'll be guided by experienced team members. This hands-on support will help you settle into your role while deepening your understanding of Athletico's specialty services and how they can elevate your practice. By joining one of our specialty programs, you'll be part of a close-knit community of therapists who are eager to share knowledge and collaborate. You'll gain access to ongoing learning through webinars, journal clubs, and interactions with a variety of healthcare professionals. Plus, you'll have opportunities to observe surgeries, attend advanced courses, and stay up to date with the latest research in the field. As you grow in your career, you'll also have the chance to explore leadership, teaching, or even media roles within the company. Our goal is to help you feel confident, supported, fulfilled in your role as a clinician. By providing the mentorship and education you need, we aim to ensure you're not only satisfied in your career, but also delivering the best possible care to your patients. Don't just take my word for it. Hear from other new graduates who have found success and fulfillment through Athletico's specialty programs.
I joined the ACL 3P program within the first 6 months of working at Athletico. I always had a passion for an athletic patient population and ACL injuries in particular, but I never really rehabbed a patient from start to finish. So I sought out input from my clinic manager at the time, who recommended joining the ACL 3P program. From there, I was able to take the clinical prep course and had access to the many resources available, as well as the monthly research updates and journal clubs. I would 100% encourage all of our clinicians to get involved in at least one of our clinical programs, if not more. The quality of the content provided in our courses and journal clubs is so helpful for all clinicians, both new grads and experienced. This is an amazing way to increase your knowledge base while also meeting and working with other clinicians within our company, which can be an awesome opportunity. It also allows access to monthly research updates, local physician lectures on specialty topics to keep you informed on the most up-to-date treatment techniques. I believe the clinical programs differentiate Athletico from any other physical therapy company, and it is a true testament to our company continuing to invest in our clinicians to ensure we have the best training and resources to treat the types of patients we want to see. So thankful to have our clinical excellence team and as a resource to keep pushing us forward.
If you're ready to kickstart your career with a company that's committed to your growth, visit athletico.com/careers to learn more. Are you ready to make a difference in patients' lives? With Athletico's specialty programs, we're ready to help you transform yours.